In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to interact respectfully with private social media accounts. Before we start, a quick but important note. Stalking or trying to invade someone's privacy is never okay. What we'll cover today focuses on ethical, consent-based ways to connect online, so you can engage confidently while respecting boundaries. First, begin with a thoughtful search for the person you're hoping to connect with. Use the platform's search bar and verify you found the right profile by checking any available public details, like a profile picture or a short bio. If the account is private, that means their posts are intentionally restricted to approved followers. This is a privacy choice you should always respect. If you have a legitimate reason to connect, the appropriate next step is to send a follow request. Think of it as knocking on someone's door rather than walking in uninvited. Consider updating your own profile beforehand so it clearly shows who you are. A recognizable photo, a brief and honest bio, and a few public posts can help the other person feel comfortable approving your request. After you've sent the request, wait patiently. Private accounts exist to give people control over who sees their content, and approval is entirely up to them. If your request isn't accepted right away or at all, do not send repeated requests or attempt other workarounds. Respect the outcome and move on. Remember, not receiving access is not a personal rejection. It's someone maintaining their boundaries. If you feel context would help, some platforms let you send a polite introductory message with your request, or you can post a professional brief note where appropriate. Keep it courteous, relevant, and pressure-free. For example, you might mention how you know them or why connecting would be mutually helpful. If messaging isn't available, let your profile speak for itself. While you wait, avoid checking repeatedly or involving mutual contacts to push for access. That can feel intrusive. If they do accept, be a considerate follower. Don't share their private content elsewhere, and interact in a way that's respectful and aligned with the norms of the platform. Finally, take a moment to review your own privacy settings. Decide what you want to keep public and what you prefer to share only with approved followers. Setting clear boundaries for yourself makes it easier to honor them for others. That's it. Search thoughtfully, request respectfully, and always let consent lead the way. Respect goes a long way online, and it's the foundation of healthy digital connections.